Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to get plotting simple text to stylish text converter in any Android smartphones and tablets. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly just open the Play Store and just search for one application named as Fancy Text Generator. And the first list you will see the application, just click on it. Now click on install to install this application. So once the installation is done, just click on open. On opening, you will see the various options present here. So at the bottom here, you will see here 3 horizontal lines. Just click on it. Now you will see here the plotting bubble option. So just click on it. Now just enable the fancy text generator here and move back. And once again, click on this plotting bubble. You can see here one plotting bubble is appearing. So you can place it anywhere. So you want to place it here, and now just click on it. Now you will see here a box where you can type the respective text or words. Say I want to type here UniqueTutorials, and below you will see here various styles. As you can see here, various styles, whichever styles you want. So you can see here tons of various styles. So say I want to copy this, then just click on this copy, and now you can paste it anywhere depending upon your needs. So you can see here, you can paste it anywhere. So by using this cool application named as Fancy Text Generator, you can easily get plotting simple text to stylish text converter in any Android smartphones and tablets very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.